my mantra is do not concentrate on profit. And that is the kiss of death. You need profit. That's the oil that keeps the machine running. But you have to concentrate on what is the product or service you're providing and how can you do that better and more efficiently so that your clients are completely loyal to you. And then profit's a byproduct of doing that really, really well. And it is really hard to do that. I've done it in high-tech manufacturing, with 100,000 square foot manufacturing facilities. I've done it with small representative, like I've brokered circuit boards from China and Japan to America, kind of playing a brokerage in between it. It's really hard to not get sucked into concentrating on profit. You can't. Whatever it is you provide, whatever service, whatever product, if you continually improve that and you listen to your clients, the byproduct is you will make profits so that you're able to kind of grow that business. This is kind of, I call it the universe secret. In the universe, there are secrets, and that is one of them.